Okay, says Eric, would you mind to tell me a bit more about yourself? Yeah, I can say a bit more about myself. If there's anything in particular you want to ask, and I'll answer whatever I'm comfortable answering. But I'm where to start? I went to school for chemistry and music. I played trombone in college and got pretty good at it. I was in the symphony orchestra and the top jazz ensemble. And then I
You
went
know,
to
it's.
oh, go
Oh,
ahead.
sorry to interrupt, but I was gonna say I was a trumpet player, but I don't
Oh, were
know if
you?
my ego was clear enough. But anyway, sorry to interrupt. Go on.
I went to grad school for chemistry. Might as well say where. I'm not. It's my face is on the internet. People could look me up on LinkedIn if they wanted to. I went to UC Berkeley and got burned out pretty
Oh,
hard from that, and left with a master's degree and felt ashamed of it, which was a silly way to feel.
yeah.
I feel more proud of it now because I recognize that it was an accomplishment to make it that far in the program, even if it wasn't the same outcome as what I thought I was coming in to do.
Yeah. I mean, UC Berkeley, that's a really good school, isn't it?
That's a great school, particularly for physical chemistry.
Jesus.
Yeah.
I didn't go to college.
Oh, and here
Yeah.
you are. Here you are learning programming anyway.
Yeah, I mean that's what you do. When you don't go to college, you learn other things. Physical labor is not my jam, so here it is. This is it.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
I didn't go to college for computer science, and here I am
Yeah.
about to start a
Learning
job as
pro-
a data engineer and
Yeah.
teaching computer science on the internet. So,
Yeah. That's for sure.
so after grad school, I was kind of underemployed in the gig economy and not feeling well in terms of mental health. And but I recovered from that little by little. I tried a stint as freelance writing, and while I was doing that, I was networking, talking to anyone who would listen to try to drum up my writing business. But I had an important conversation with a colleague from grad school who pointed out that, hey, I liked the programming we did together in grad school, and I thought to myself, hey, yeah, I liked it too. And then she said, I studied a bunch of MOOCs and went to a boot camp and got a job as a software engineer, and I really like it. And I said, okay, I'm going to try out this programming thing. So I went to a data engineering, excuse me, no, a data science boot camp. But before I went to that, I had some extra time, so I picked up a computer science certificate and then got a job as a data engineer where unfortunately I was out of my depth. And about a year into it, I got pretty burned out. That's kind of a recurring theme in my life is getting burned out of difficult things. But after I left that one, I went to a free Java development bootcamp, which I really recommend this program. It's called Perscolas. And if you have the time to do their training, it's a free training and it's good stuff. Although sometimes I wonder, like I kind of did three boot camps, and I don't know if any one of them would have been enough to get me to where I am right now. I mean, by definition, it took all three of them to get me to where I am right now. But anyway, after that one, I got a job at a small ad agency working as a support engineer, sort like. But the person I was supporting was a data engineer, so I was kind of doing data engineer work. Um, let's see. I live in Chicago. I live alone in Chicago with my cat, who you cannot see. But if I switch to the webcam view, hey Sammy, there he is. He's right there. Where's the TV? It'll come back in a moment. Yeah, there it is. I like music. If you look on my, well, pardon me, that beep means I have diabetes, type 1 diabetes. So I have an insulin pump that I wear, and it takes care of me pretty well. Although sometimes I eat too much pizza and it can't quite keep up. Um, so that's kind of a bit about myself, and I might even post that in a video if people, so I can refer to it
Yeah.
later. It was kind of a good overview.
You could do like some of those one of those commands like a exclamation point and then like your
Yeah,
name and just do like a bio thing in there or you know, exclamation point bio.
Yeah,
Um,
exclamation point bio. That would get it done.